श्री मनाचे श्लोक श्लोका number 55 English translation and explanation. Shri Manache Shlok were written by Samarth Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. नसे मानसी नष्ट आशा दुराशा वसे अंतरी प्रेम पाशा पिपाशा ऋणी देव हा भक्ती भावे जयाचा जगी धन्य तो दास सर्वोत्तमाचा. The one who neither has false hopes nor have greed in their minds, the one who has love and devotion for God in their minds, is the blessed devotee of the Supreme God, and even God is indebted by their devotion. Some of the key words used in this shloka are Nase means not exist, Manasi means in the mind, Nashta means destructive, Asha means hope, Durasha means malefic wish, greed for material wealth, Vase means stays, Antari means in the heart, Prema Pasha means the bond of love, Pipasha means thirst, Runi means indebted, Dev means God, Ha means this, Bhakti Bhave means faithful devotion, Jayacha means whose. Nase Manasi Nashta Asha Durasha. Blessed devotees don't have wrong type of hopes. We as human beings have hopes and wishes. As we say, where there is a wish, there is a way. We also do wishful thinking. When these hopes and wishes are for selfish purposes, they start turning into something which starts destroying our minds. If you look closely at your hopes, mostly you will find that those are for some kind of materialistic possession or related to status in the society, something which gives us satisfaction. But what kind of satisfaction that is? Most of the time, it will be temporary in nature. As soon as you achieve what you hoped for, you will enjoy that for a little while and then hope for something even bigger. So that hope is for something which is going to get destroyed. Nashta means that which can get destroyed, not permanent. The hopes and wishes can be of two natures. One is that which you want for yourself, and the other is something you don't want others to have. The world is full of competitions. We do compete on many grounds, in many ways, with others. In the competition, only one will win and others will lose. I want to be number one. I want to be the best. These types of wishes, when looked at one way, are selfish, as you will be thinking about yourself. When closely looked at those, it will be clear that the same means that everyone else should be number two, number three, and down below. It means that everyone else should not be as good as me. These are malefic wishes. They are all of the win-lose type, not win-win type. Blessed devotees always look for permanent peace, and that is possible when one is looking for attaining the ultimate truth, the enlightenment. Once that is achieved, nobody can destroy it. The blessed devotee will never think ill of others. They will be the ones who will treat everyone equally and work for the betterment of all. They will act based on these principles and thoughts. They will compete only with themselves and make themselves better today than they were yesterday. Vase antari prema pasha pipasha. Blessed devotees have the thirst for the love of God. So, what kind of hopes blessed devotees will have, if at all any? They don't have hopes, they have a thirst. Thirst is the feeling of wanting to drink something desperately when we have dryness in the mouth and throat. Blessed devotees are desperately thirsty for the love of God. It is not something they are hoping for or wishing for. They want to achieve it and are ready for whatever it takes. Every moment in life, they are longing in their minds for the bonding of love of God and hence devote themselves completely towards that. They want to bind themselves to God in such a way that the bond of love will last forever. Runi devaha bhakti bhave dayasa. Even God is indebted to the blessed devotees. Samartha Ramdas Swami is going to the extent of mentioning that even God will be indebted to such blessed devotees. How can God be indebted to someone? God is within everyone, but not everyone understands this fully. The blessed devotees have that understanding and that clarity way more than other normal beings. They are then using that to educate and increase awareness about God in others. So, in a way, they are helping God in spreading His message to the common people. They are doing an infinitely small, tiny bit of work that God would like many in this world to do, to help others, to help others and treat everyone equally, to recognize the presence of God in everyone. When blessed devotees are helping God in such a way, why would He not be happy and be supporting them in serving the world and making the world a better place to live? In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Sri Krishna has famously said, परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. It means to protect the righteous, to annihilate the wicked, and to re-establish the principles of dharma. I appear on this earth millennium after millennium. God will go to the extent of taking an avatar in order to help the blessed devotees, the righteous, the pious ones, the sadhu. नसे मानसी नष्ट आशा दुराशा वसे अंतरी प्रेम पाशा पिपाशा ऋणी देवहा भक्ति भावे दयाचा जगी धन्य तो दास सर्वोत्तमाचा. If you like this video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha.